焼きおにぎりって地方によって味噌派と醤油派に分かれるんやね。
焼きおにぎりはお茶をかけて崩して食べても美味しいですよね。
I will make it in easy way from the equipment that I have at home.
I use plastic bag so I don't have to wet my hand. Firmly place it. The pressure helps to prevent the rice from falling apart during grilling. Mix miso with mirin and sugar. Spread oil evenly on the pan. Start grilling with our sauce until it turns golden brown. And spread miso on it. For another one, I use soy sauce with the same recipe as the miso. Grill both sides. Top with rice crackers, seaweed, and then green tea. It smells so good. The rice is crispy outside and soft inside. So comforting.